Good evening. My name is Andrej Boleslavský. I work for CHM. Thanks for the presentation of the principles of brain-computer interfacing. And during the last 2 days, we had here a workshop which introduced students of KHM to principles of programming with brain-computer interfaces and into principles of creating applications that artistically use brainwaves. So please, students who participated and who want to present the result, join us at the stage, and we will make a short demonstration of the results we did during the last 2 days. So as you can see, I already have on my head attached the brain-computer interface from company which is called Emotive, and this is probably the most famous consumer level devices. As Pavel showed during his presentation, the brain-computer devices and the biofeedback devices are usually meant for medical use, and they are expensive. They have to be in a controlled environment. And this one is actually meant for home experiments and for controlling computer games. And many researchers use this as a cheap and available tools to work with brainwave data. Matthias, maybe you can explain what's going on.
Can we turn down the volume? Okay, thanks. So the color of this visualization is changing by his mood, by his meditation level and excitement level. What is the third one? Frustration level, yeah. So if he's frustrated, this should turn blue. Meditation is green and excitement is red. He can change the size of those of this visualization by concentrating on pushing it. If he thinks about pushing, the size of the visualization changes. If he blinks with his eyes, the circles are filled. Yeah. And the audio is just some audio file that is scratched by this pushing command as well.
Thanks, Matthias, for the presentation. Kim, can we connect Kim to the audio? Okay.
Yeah, no, the audio. He's pushing like we got like the we got like white noise. frequency, and this is also like it's connected with it's connected to his frustration level. So if he's like this frustrated, we will hear the white noise.
How to get frustrated to demonstrate it. Skill Thanks, Kim. So this was some of the results from the workshop. We had more students, and thanks for having the courage to demonstrate the result. Pavel, by the way, joined as well.
Yes, but I lost somewhere my pen.
Oh, that's
I didn't save it when I was opening the presentation.
But I'm also happy that you participated. We can continue the research when we are back in Prague. Before I leave the stage, I will show you the background principles of what we did. Okay, so this is the application that captures the electro potentials on the top of my skin of the skull. It's 14 sensors, and this is the raw signal, which is pretty distorted when I move my head or when I speak, when I blink, and so on. And these waves are already connected to state of my mind. You can get some basic data processing and signal processing from this. And on top of this, there's application which contains very sophisticated signal processing algorithms. And this application can detect what is my expression on my face if I blink or close my eyes, or when I clench my jaw. It also recognizes the mental states such as frustration, meditation, and engagement. And then the most interesting and important part is the part which recognizes mental commands. So you can train the computer and give commands to the computer just by thinking about certain thought. So I trained this application to work with push command, and when I think about pushing, it will indicate the level of that thought or that atom. Then we read the data by middleware, and then I distribute the data to the to the participants. Okay, so this is the right moment for the application crash. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.